You will never throw away an eggshell again. Try this and save your money. That's right, everyone. In addition to being very useful, you can still make money with eggshells. And for this, you do the following. First, take a blender and let's put the shells of 4 eggs inside. Alright, folks? Let's put it there. Then, let's also add 4 cups of hot water, okay? Put it together with the eggshells. And now, we're gonna blend it really well. Now folks, we're gonna need 1 grated soap bar. I have already grated a soap bar previously, and let's go ahead and add everything. And that's why we need the hot water. This is gonna help to better dissolve all this grated soap. Alright, after that, let's go ahead and blend it really well again. Once that's done, folks, we need to wait for the foam to go down a little bit. And then we're gonna add 1 very full tablespoon of sugar. You can use regular sugar for this. Now let's also add baking soda. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of baking soda. 1 and 2. Then just blend everything again really well. Alright folks, after this, you're gonna take some little containers and pour all this mixture inside them. But if you prefer, you can put everything in a single larger container. But as you can see, I prefer to split it into several smaller ones. And here it will be ready for use. Alright folks? But I like to leave it for a while in the fridge in order to make it more consistent. So I'll do just that, leaving it there for about 40 minutes. Then I'll show you. And after 40 minutes, it gets pretty consistent. We can even mold it easier. Look how cool. But now, if you ask me, what did we just do here, folks? This is an excellent homemade dishwashing soap. That's right, it is an excellent product for you to remove heavy grease, the ones that is really impregnated. It is great for cleaning pots, pans, or even your barbecue grill. And on top of all of that, if you didn't know, eggshells are extremely abrasive, which means you can also use it to give all your aluminum pans that extra beautiful shine. The result is really impressive. And as I said previously, it's a very useful tip because you can make it both to use at home in your daily tasks and also to sell it. You can put it in smaller containers and sell it to make an extra income.